Welcome to Alma Bryant High School, where education meets opportunity and where excellence is the expectation. Our academy programs inspire, challenge, and prepare students for successful futures, connecting them to real-world careers. Alma Bryant's Advanced Collegiate Pathway prepares students for a successful transition to college while offering a head start on their future. Partnering with the University of South Alabama and Bishop State Community College, Alma Bryant's Advanced Collegiate Pathway enhances our advanced placement and Cambridge programs by offering dual enrollment opportunities, allowing students to earn college credits tuition-free. The aquaculture program introduces students to Alabama's growing marine industries, equipping them with the knowledge to manage aquatic environments and sustainable fisheries. In our agri-science program, students learn modern agricultural techniques, preparing for careers in environmental science, horticulture, and farming.
One of the things I'm most proud of at Alma Bryant High School is that they serve their students in a way where they can learn real career skills in a career tech industry such as healthcare, and they can use that to be ready for the workforce. Oftentimes our students come out and they are equipped already with a lot of skills they can bring to industries, even in starter positions and CNA, medical assistant, other positions in our facilities, and it helps us to hire from our local communities, helps us to be a bigger part of local communities and working with the schools and helping to sustain the local industry.
Alma Bryant's welding pathway provides hands-on learning and internship experiences in the shipbuilding industry.
Hopefully offer an opportunity for them to have a good paying job and a good career path right out of high school. We've got programs going with students coming every so often. I'm excited to have some graduates come that have started working recently and have actually progressed over the last couple of years. So hopefully a path that many students in the future can take as well.
Discover how Alma Bryant High School can unlock your future. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a tour today.